Okay guys, we're going to continue the last video on slope, and we're going to tie it into lines and equations of lines. So here we're given a problem. Find the slope of the line drawn below. Okay, and so I used a ruler to draw a straight line. Ha ha. I can draw a straight line. And so we have three known numbers three known points, along the line here. Okay, and a line is really an infinite number of points going in the same direction. Okay, actually you can start at any point and going in each direction or the opposite direction is an infinite number of points. So that's what a line is. Okay, and so in this case here we have 3 points that we know of that's on the line. And so if you want to know how to find the slope of a line, you need how many points? What's the minimum number of points you need in order to find the slope of a line? 2. Okay, so if you said 2, very good. So we can pick any 2 points. We can pick this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. It doesn't matter, but let's, we have a tendency to avoid negative numbers, right? So let's make it easy on ourselves and pick these 2 points right here, okay? Because positive numbers are pretty. Okay, I know that's not funny, but okay, that's all right. So we're going to pick these 2 points right here. And the first thing I would always tell my students is to label the points. So we have 0 and 3 on this line, and we also have 3 and 9 on this line, okay? And so what I mean by label is, if you look at the equation for slope, okay, and some of you might be like, whoa, where is this coming from? Now, I'm assuming that you all know quite a bit about these equations or have access, or you might be taking geometry classes, and so I figure I don't have to talk in detail about it, but basically, if you have 2 points, point 1 would have coordinates x1, y1, and point 2 would have coordinates x2, y2, okay? So point 1, point 2, in this case we have 3 points. So if we had another point, it would be what? X3, Y3. Okay? Point 4, X4, Y4. And it's really subscripts, right? It's X sub 4, Y sub 4. Okay? But, that's just a side note. But anyway, so to label, what we mean by label these points is, okay, let one of these points be point 1, let the other be point 2. So in this case, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? And I kind of, use some strategy because, if you subtract, I'm trying to keep everything as easy as possible for right now. Okay? So if we plug into our equation right here, okay, or we can rewrite it, that's fine. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if we plug and chug, we won't get all cross-eyed and get everything all crisscrossed and everything if we label first. Okay, I can't tell you how many times I've seen that where students would get the coordinates, everything crisscrossed, and they did all the math right, but got the problem wrong because they put stuff in the wrong place. So make sure you label, okay? And I can't tell you how many times I actually told them that, but here we go, okay? y2, y1 is 3, okay? x2 is 3, x1 is 0, okay? So 9 minus 3, 6. 3 minus 0 is 3, and so this reduces down to the slope being 2, okay? So we found our answer, right? We found the slope of the line here being 2, okay? So I can go ahead and turn off the video, right? Okay, I'm about to. But what does that mean, okay, in terms of what we talked about earlier? Remember, we said that slope is rise over run. So if we have a slope of 2, just know that you can rewrite any number, any whole number, with a 1 in the denominator, because if you divide by 1, right, you still get that same number. Okay, so we're just rearranging it so we can manipulate it and use it and figure out what we want to figure out. Okay, so here we have 2 over 1, and we know that slope is rise over run. Okay, so this means that if I go from point A to point B, or point 1 to point 2, right, this means that I'm going to either go in the positive rise direction by 2 units, and then I'm going to go in the positive run direction by 1 unit. And I'll end up staying on that same line that has a slope of 2. Stop laughing at my non-straight line. Okay, we're going to pretend like that's a straight line, okay, and not all flicked. Okay, but the point is that this is a slope of 2. This is a line with a slope of 2. Now, we could have also gone in the other direction, right? Okay, so, I mean, we can go either way, but let's start here to show our fall, right? We have, negative, oh my goodness, negative, what are we going to do here? Negative rise of 2. But wait, we have to get back on this line, we have a negative run. Is that a problem, y'all? Is it? Actually, if we write here our negative rise over negative run, what does that give us, right? We're cool. Still gives us 2, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And a positive slope makes us smile and be positive. Okay, stop laughing. Okay, stop. Yeah, okay. Anyway, all right. It wasn't funny. I know. Okay. I'm corny. That's okay. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, next we're going to talk about equations of lines. Okay, so we're going to have fun with that. And did I mention that this has the slope of 2? Okay, all right. Okay. Talk to you later. Thanks.